Welcome to Beautyistic. Now, I know many of us love the feeling of fresh nails, whether it's for a special occasion or just to brighten up our day. But what if I told you that your little one could enjoy the fun of a DIY manicure too? Well, that's exactly what the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails for kids bring to the table. These press-ons are designed for little hands, featuring a medium red color with a squoval shape, perfect for your child's first foray into nail art. The set includes everything your child will need: 20 press-on nails, a prep pad, a mini file, a manicure stick, and easy-to-follow instructions. And the best part? No glue is required, making it a quick and painless experience for both you and your child. When it comes to kids' beauty products, safety and comfort are always top of mind. These nails are made with a design that's gentle on young, delicate nails. No glue means no risk of damage to their natural nails, which is a huge win. And let's face it, we all know how kids can get impatient. These nails come off hassle-free. No tugging, no mess. From a product standpoint, imPRESS nails are a fantastic way to introduce your child to nail art. The color is bold and eye-catching, and the squoval shape is a universally flattering option that adds a touch of sophistication while still being playful enough for kids. The absence of glue is key here, as it allows for an easy, mess-free application. You simply press on the nails and go. There's no need for drying time or waiting for polish to set. This is a win for both parent and child. In terms of usability, my daughter was able to apply these herself after a brief demonstration, and the process was quick and straightforward. The set comes with a handy mini file, which is perfect for ensuring the nails fit perfectly, especially since kids' nails can vary in size. The prep pad is a nice touch too, ensuring the natural nails are clean and prepped for a perfect fit. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. Pros? These press-ons are super convenient, perfect for a quick, fun manicure without the hassle of traditional polish or glue. The design is playful yet chic, and your child will absolutely love the vibrant color. The ease of removal is another big plus. You won't have to worry about any mess or struggling to take them off. On the downside, because the nails are press-ons, they may not last as long as traditional salon manicures. Depending on how active your child is, you may find that they start to lift or wear off after a few days. Also, while the design is great for younger kids, older children or tweens who are looking for more grown-up nail art may find the color and design a bit too youthful. As for value, considering the convenience, ease of use, and the all-inclusive nature of this kit, it's a solid value for the price. You're getting a complete set without the added stress of needing glue or complicated steps. While these nails may not be as durable as professional manicures, they offer great fun and ease for a one-time or occasional use. Now, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly or long-lasting, there are plenty of options out there in the press-on nail market, though they might not be specifically designed for kids. However, if you're in the market for a fun, easy DIY activity for your child's nails, the Kiss imPRESS press-on nails stand out as a fun, no-mess option. When it comes to build quality, these nails are solid for what they are: a temporary, easy-to-apply solution. The mini file is small but effective, and the nails themselves are durable enough for short-term wear. Final thoughts? The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails for kids are a great introduction to the world of nail art for young ones. They're simple, safe, and fun, without the mess and hassle of glue. While they may not last as long as traditional manicures, they are a fantastic option for a special treat or a fun weekend activity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.